In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot FTP connections with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. If you are experiencing connection errors and getting the "could not connect to server" error message, there are a few things you need to check. First, check your site connection settings. Is the hostname or the IP address correct? Are both the username and password correct? Copy and paste might not work properly in some circumstances. Try to type the password instead. If the connection error still persists, you may want to try our FTP tester. The link can be found in this video description. Another possible cause is the connection is being blocked by a firewall. Try to disable the local firewall provided by the operating system or by an antivirus. If you are in a corporate network, you may need to ask the network administrator to open specific FTP ports. See FileZilla Knowledge Base for details. You'll find the link in the video description. In this video, you learned how to troubleshoot FTP connections with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.